Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Notorious Squirrel, and today I'm very excited as I have just received, or just had to go out to receive and pick up the Wi-Fi Pineapple Pager. Now this has been an adventure getting this over to the UK, but it's finally here and I'm super happy about it. So, first impressions, the box looks very well done. Powered by Ducky Script, get started, so nice, easy, straightforward, telling you exactly where to go and how to get it set up, which is always nice for the slower in the room as we are. Nice details, again, lovely Hak5 graphics. Onto the back, onto the money, here we go. Love these little Hak5 inspired transportation symbols here. Just some basic information of what it does. Supports Bluetooth 5.2, IE 802, bands 2, 5 and 6. Yes baby, that's where the magic is. Interfaces, internet, USB 2 wireless access points, and then the power, the 2000 battery, and then the size. Cool. So without further ado, let's get into it. I have not opened this yet, so I'm super excited to get this open. So charge before first use. So yeah, I intend to just give a quick unboxing here, then I'm going to charge this and then do later videos and content as we go. Oh, I feel like some sort of angels and a light should be shining right now. Oh, nice bit of packaging then. Here we go. As you can tell, what colour did I go for? There was only one colour I could have gone for in my mind. And essentially, from what I've seen as well, once you've unboxed it, you've unboxed it. Ooh, a secret little sneaky eye there, a little Easter egg bit. And then a QR. I'm sure it's nothing, but I will have to scan that just in case. Can do that later. Oh, lovely. And also you get this nice little bit of artwork and a little thing there which we'll be keeping and putting into the collection. And look at this. Oh, super excited. Get it in a nice little black bag. Get rid of that. So, first impressions. Vents top, bottom, side. Battery. In there. Nice slide action. The battery's in there, so I don't really need to do that. Nice little lanyard tag there if you need. Power button, USB, USB-C. Yeah, so far feels good, looks good. And the buttons have a nice click to them as well. That was one thing I wanted to make sure as well, that, oh yeah, that's a nice retro click. These also have LEDs that come up on the buttons as well, which you can change the colour and everything like that. But yeah, first impressions, fantastic. It's got a nice weight to it, but it's not too heavy as well, which we like. And then here's the clip. That clip goes on really well. And I know as well there's also some STL files on the Hak5 website where you can print a stand, so when you're working on it, because obviously that doesn't do anything, but it's a stand that keeps it up nice and propped for while you're working and doing dev work and playing around with it on the UI and things. So yeah, up to now, really impressed. So looking forward to doing some more content and more videos on it. Stay tuned.